Hey guys, it's Madeline. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the mason jar craft that I just showed you at the beginning of the video. So what you need, a mason jar, obviously, some paint and paintbrush, and some tape. Oh yes, and in this video, we also have a guest star, Tyler. She is the sister of Craigington, so go look her up on YouTube. Yeah, we make all sorts of movies on Craigington, and we act in all of them. So yeah, we have a new series coming out soon called The Good Times, and it is a series of the old days. Okay, so let's go see how that DIY jar is made. As you can tell when we showed you the photo at first of the mason jar, there was a little star on it. So you can either make a star with tape, which I find is very difficult, but then again, I'm not very artistic. So I took a piece of paper and I drew a star. Again, not very artistic. So you're just going to cut out the star. So now you're going to take the star and stick it on the jar. Make sure if your jar has one of those, do not put the star on that. Put it on the opposite side of that. So, wait, how does the star go? I know stars are supposed to go any way, but my artisticness makes stars very weird, lopsided. So I have to do it a special way. So it should look something like that. So let's go see the next step. Now what you're going to do is take your paintbrush, and a very, very good trick, always go upwards when you're starting to paint the star, because you don't want to get underneath the cracks of the paper. So always go along the sides. So you're just going to want to start off with that, and then you can paint the rest of the jar however you like. So I put the mason jar outside to dry, so while that's drying, I want to tell you what Tyler did. So she tried to pick up my phone, and then she dropped it in the paint, and then my whole phone was covered in paint, but luckily it's acrylic paint, so I got it all off. So whoop whoop. And I'm just lucky it didn't get in the cracks of my phone, because I have some cracks on my phone. So happy that it is spring. We have the four-wheeler out. We also have the garden. We also have nice, beautiful green grass. And we also have our pond. And then we have the ocean right next to us. So yay! So now we're just going to take off the star. Peel it off, just easy. And there we have it. A nice looking mason. Now that we peeled off the star, we want something to make it look more like a star. So you can either take white paper, pink paper, green paper, any color paper, or even wrapping paper, a design paper, anything you want. So I'm going to take a piece of blue, because blue is my favorite color. I'm going to tick it out. And I'm going to put it in the jar. So sometimes you're going to want to tape it in there, but I think this will work for me. Last thing I'm going to do before I let you guys go is I'm going to put a circle piece of paper on top of that and then close the lid on it. So it'll make it a nice blue look. So much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you made a lovely mason jar. If you didn't, please comment down below of anything I could have fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Have a good day!